Nasdaq 100 has seen a little retracement after dropping towards 14,500 levels yesterday and now trading with a slight retracement zone. It has in fact breached the first resistance at 14,600, 620 and now looking upwards. Now, what to expect with the US session? Can we expect this upward move to continue towards 14,700 and plus levels, or is it going to stay bearish and drop from here? Which position you should take? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Let's start first on the hourly charts. See, on the hourly charts, you can note that Tech 100 is still trading in this bearish channel here. And on the upside, 14,700, 725 is the major resistance which it needs to break past by. Only and only if it stays above 14,700, 720, we can say that it is on the path of a reversal, and possibly beyond that 760, 800 levels will be seen. Though the chances appears to be less, but right now if you look at the chart formation, you can see higher lows are consistently getting created, and this also suggests that if you see it again staying below 14,580, you can sell, but then be cautious towards 14,550, and below 14,550 is where the bears will take over. Now, let's have a further detailed look. See, stochastic has dropped. MACD is trading on a retracement zone. It is trading with a little divergence and bullishness. RSI looking upwards here, coming to 2. Likewise, on the 2-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs. See, important part is the divergence from the 20 period, and it is just converged towards the 20 period moving average, which is sitting right now at around 15,640, 650 zone. Yes, these are great resistances, and in fact, even if it stays above 15,640, 650, the next important is at 700, 720 zone. The stochastic has retraced and it is now looking downwards. MACD has crossed over, trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. RSI is also looking upwards, trying to stay bullish here. Coming to 3, on the 3-hour charts, higher lows, higher highs. Once it stays above 14,640, 650 zone, certainly little more bullishness can be seen. However, this is the zone which I will expect it to break past by in order to confirm the reversal. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising, this has come to overbought zone. MACD is trading with little divergence and bullishness, looking upwards here. RSI is also has come out of the oversold zone now. And if you look at 4, now look at 4-hour chart. See, similar observation, and thus I say, if and only if it breaks below 14,580 levels, you can say that it is trying to reverse, and then I will wait for 14,550 levels to be breached. Remember, see the bearish candles and the greener candles. See the size difference here. This suggests that it is trading bearish. At the same time, one must note that the 20 period moving average on the 4-hour chart is now sitting at 14,700 levels, 680, 700 levels. Also, one must note that the moving averages are trading with extreme divergence. But at the time when it was bullish, then also we had seen that this divergence continued and prolonged for long. Now, if you look at the channel here, this is the channel on the 4-hour charts. The highs of this channel now at 700, 730, 20 zone, which is going to be a great resistance for today. Only and only if it stays above this zone, you can say that it is trying to reverse. At the same time, right now, what is happening? Drop, retracement. So this is a kind of wine glass formation, but it is tilted on the one side. Yes, it has formed a bigger tail, and a drop below 14,550 is where the bears will take over here. Stochastic is rising, MACD is trading with little divergence, and it is trying to trade with a little retracement. Remember, this retracement is coming from a lower levels. It does not mean that it cannot continue further on the downside. However, right now it is looking upwards. RSI coming out of the oversold levels, coming to the now look at the daily chart. See, drop, retracement, and then this sharper drop has been seen yesterday. Remember, this drop has certainly expanded the Bollinger Bands. What it is trying to do, it is trying to retrace a little, but then the reversal can be there because see, the candle is open flat here, and this also suggests that there could be a move which will try to take it further down. See, after the retracement, this was the first red candle. In all possibilities, it may try to yield a second red candle, taking it till towards 14,450, and in fact lower levels we may see 14,350 as well. See, one stronger bearish candle, even if half the size is considered, it can possibly achieve the levels at around 14,350, 450 at some point of time today. Stochastic is oversold, trying to recover. MACD is still trading with bearishness. It is looking downwards. If you look at the cycle here, first, second is continuing. It can continue on the downside before reversing. RSI hitting the bottom here. So look, only buy entry today I will recommend is beyond 14,640 levels, 650 levels. If it stays above 14,640, 650, you can expect that the next target is 14,680, 725 levels. And only if Tech 100 stays above 14,725 levels, you can say that it is trying to trade with a little bullishness. Then you can expect 14,760, and ultimate reversal is only and only if it stays above 14,800 levels. Remember one more point. Moving averages have crossed over here, trading with divergence. The 100 period moving average sitting at around 4900, and the prices are too much divergent from the moving average, hence a possibility of a conversion exists here. But before that, see, if one red candle, it can try to yield a second red candle here. Be careful. On the downside, you can sell at 14,580 levels, expect 14,550 to be breached. That is the first resistance zone, and then 14,500. See, once it stays below 14,500, certainly there is a pull on the downside, which it will continue, and it might try to hit this zone between 14,350 and 450. This is a great support zone. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Yes, do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, share, subscribe, and comment is a great support motivation for me to deliver on time every time to the best of my abilities. Also, you can be part of my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on 9th of October. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. Thank you very much. See you again tomorrow with the US session update for Nasdaq 100. Thank you.